YouTube, this is Chuck Reynolds coming to you from beautiful Mayer, Arizona, and it's 65 degrees this morning. We cooled off. So if you're seeing this is my scale. And that's a gold boat for the gold. That's the whip and the crucible, and that's the gold. So we're going to melt some gold again this morning. And I'll tell you what's happening in just a second. Okay, so we're back. So what we're going to do is turn the scale on. Get it on a flat spot on this bench. And we're on grams and I want it on ounces. So that's ounces. We'll weigh the gold boat. And it's some bizarre ounce, a little over 1 ounce. So we'll, tear it. What I want is about 2 ounce, or a quarter ounce, 0.25. That's 0.27, so that's pretty close. So that's what we're going to melt today. And we can set this aside, turn this off. Get him out of the way. We got our gold, we got our crucible. All right, I'll be done. Hey guys, so it might be a little hard to hear, so I'll try to speak louder. So we're going to add a little borax to this. Not a lot, just a little bit. Before we put the gold in, set the borax out of the way. Give this a go. Okay, the borax is melted. Let's see if we need more. So the gold is in. Just a touch more borax. Get the lid on him. And that is really hot, by the way. Okay guys, I'm going to do what I did last time I did one of these. I'm just going to pour it in the water. No, I'm not. It's stuck. Out of there. Okay, let me correct this problem and I'll be right back. Alright guys, we got it out of there and had to get a pair of needle nose. For some reason these stainless steel guys didn't work so good. So let's, I think this is cool now. Yeah, it's cool enough. It's good top and it's got a little piece of borax on the bottom again. I usually take that off with a knife, scrape the bottom. But we're going to do it like this. An 0275, so it's a nice little piece of gold. That's what we started with, that's what we ended with. So I'm going to take this off of here right now and be back. What I do on these, usually, I've done it before, is get it in the needle nose, keep it on the bench, and then scrape it with the blade. And it comes right off, so you can see now it's good on both sides. And I guess we could weigh it again, huh? See what it weighs. I don't think that weighed much. So it's 0.027 instead of 7.5. So it's fractional, so it doesn't amount to much, but it's off and you know it looks better. So anyhow, that's that one. And I'm only going to do the one today. It worked pretty quick and it came out pretty good. So if you like this video, you know, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, come back again, give it a great comment. And thank you so much for watching, even in this hot weather. I know it isn't hot probably where you're at, but it's smoking hot here. Please stay safe, stay blessed out there, keep praying. It helps in everything you do. We'll be back. This is the second one, and this one is 0.056. I don't know if you can read it, you cannot. This is upside down, but we'll change it. Go with 0.05, well, that's 0.058. Alright, there it is, a nice one. That one came out good. That's a ½ ounce. Alright, that's going to be it for today. We're starting to get warm already. And I already said closing, so consider yourself closed out. We're done.